topic of my presentation is assessing the potential of rainwater harvesting through GIS and remote sensing techniques in combating urban flooding in Lahore, Pakistan. My name is Aksa Kalb, and I'm PhD scholar in IGS NAS, Islamabad, Pakistan, and I'm working on the smart cities. So, next slide, please. From the last 3 years, I'm working with the for promoting the OSM OpenStreet mapping in Pakistan. The workshops I have conducted so far, and also taking into the integration into my PhD methodology as well. Then how to conduct this. Next, we have the like catalog that how we are pursuing in the presentation one by one, like introduction part, research question. We have methodology, data collection, and proposals. So move on to the next slide, please, Faiza. Next slide. Okay, so as you all know, in the South Asian region, we have the problem of because of the climatic changes, we have millions of gallons of water, rainwater is wasted during the monsoon region. We have the problem of urban flooding. We are facing worldwide water challenges, drinking water, reducing the demand for drinking water, mitigating the negative effects of urban flooding. We can utilize out the solution rainwater harvesting. At the same time, we have the poor drainage infrastructure, which is for our urbanized cities. It's not going to tackle the heavy rainfall, resulting into the frequent flooding. More of that, we have the urbanization encroachment issues that's going to be affected our risk the burden on the infrastructure. At the same time, increase the risk of flooding. And the next, we have the sewerage system as well, which needs to be upgraded because of the solid waste which we threw into the sewerage system. Next slide, please. So how we can say that we have the impacts as well. We have the lot of problem likewise because of the urban flooding. But at the same time, how we are going to tackle these issues, because day by day, as we see during our monsoon region, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, we have the urban flooding issues. We have the power outages. We have the transportation system struck out. We have the soil erosion issues because of that environmental impact, diseases carrying mosquitoes and all these, the dengue, malaria, because of the flood, health hazards we have to tackle these challenges. So we need to think about nature-based solutions, and with the help of OpenStreet mapping, GIS analysis, and the tools like ODK, we can tackle these challenges. Next slide, please. Okay, so here is my case study area. That's Pakistan, and then we have the Punjab, and then we have the Lahore. So next slide, please. So the basic focus is on that on this methodology. I also had won the funding last year, 2023, from Women and GIS, and I came to know that I'm utilizing the land use, land cover calculated, and then I also done the data collected from the different departments, and at the same time I did the utilize out the Google Earth engine for calculating the precipitation type of for each UC of Lahore, Union Council of Lahore, and to calculate that where rainfall mostly occurs, where is that pattern of large areas where rainfall occurs. So it's like a open tools which we can utilize out by sitting in our homes and not going into the fields, and calculated the areas where mostly rain occurs. Then we have combined overlays all the layers, and then applied the AHY method to identify the flooded areas and urban elements which are mostly problematic for that. According with respect to that, by combining the people perception and the tools perception, then I came to know that which solutions we have to give. Next, please. Okay, so this is how we have find out the 5 years of data, precipitation data for each UC of Lahore, where high rainfall is occurring and where low rainfall is occurring. So most of the time, if you see the area, upper north area or at the right hand side, this is red area, highlights out that the most low of the rainfall occurs between 2018 till 2022 in these regions. That means that we have to tackle these areas at our first priority. And through Google Earth Engine, I just figure out that how to download the precipitation data, and no need to gather the data by going into the field and surveying the departments. So next slide, please. Okay, so there is a data of rainwater harvesting and recharge well. So I find out from the GPS points, we calculated from the departments we have. So two departments we have, we find out that where our existing recharge wells and water harvesting wells are present. So I located into them. Next slide, please. Thank you. So as you see that there are drainage pattern of Lahore is not well integrated. Because of that, there are many problems in the northern part of Lahore, and many challenges we have to face in the form of urban flooding, due to which we have many challenges in the monsoon region. And so that's why open street mapping and all that stuff come to game, and tools we are going to utilize to conduct this study. Next, please. So that's a flood validation point. So in Lahore, overall Lahore, we utilize out the ODK. As you all know, ODK is utilized for conducting our surveys, and that's there we can get that GPS points. So all over Lahore, from different people, from we all 500 plus surveys we have conducted through online, and we came to know these are the points where mostly water accumulated. So we have to identify them through collaborated with the people, and we just don't go into the field. Through ODK we can identify the GPS points. Next slide, please. And then we did the AHP method, as I have shown into the methodology, that vulnerability analysis of flooded roads. Road network we have downloaded from the OSM, and that's where we identified that where most of the flooded roads are occurred, because communication struck out, people can't move from one place to another during the monsoon region. There are many water accumulated, and most of the time we have to face major damages, accidents, and many others where water burst out. Sometimes the houses, the infrastructure come down. So these things we have to tackle down with the help of our GIS tools and OSM tools. Next slide, please. So at the end, we have also included the land use land cover that is going to be downloaded from the USGS Earth Explorer. And next slide, please. Okay, so flooded areas identification, flood risk assessment. So, as I know, there is also in the legend highlighted that ponding sites through public perspective, where water most accumulated, we identified with the help of people. They have identified through that ODK tool, and then they indicated that these are the GPS points. We have to tackle these locations where mostly water accumulates. Next. So these are the pictures we have included during our surveys, that these are the roads that majorly affected during monsoon regions. Next slide, please. Like active biospheres in Lahore, where active biospheres are already present, so we are going to utilize them, and where we have to, by overlaying the previous slides, the previous layer I have generated through our study, we just overlay them, and then after that we are going to predict where next recharge wells can be installed, so that we can tackle the issues of urban flooding. Next. So these are the proposal for rainwater wells. It's basically the paper is under review and is existing and proposed rainwater wells. So here is the new existing through lots of, we can say, the ODK tools and OpenStreetMap data. We are and Google Earth Engine data. We combined out all these things, and we came to know that these are the points where we have to water mostly accumulated. So we have to propose these sites as recharge wells, so we can tackle the urban flooding issues, and it can be helpful for that methodological framework can be helpful for the Pakistan as well as for other regions of the South Asia. So I think that's next slide is last, I think. Yeah, thank you so much for the for giving me this opportunity to present on the state of the map Asia, and thank you for your all your efforts you are doing for arranging such a huge event. I'm unable to join you guys as physically because of the some commitments, but let us see you next time. Thank you so